Dr. Bobby Misa Brimon would like to give you the blessings of the Lord as the Lord Jesus Christ comes into us and He will be coming again. It is the salvation of Christ that should be declared upon this Congress, upon our General Assembly, and our anniversary at the same time.
Undersecretary of Public Safety.
I'm Jocelyn Alcala, Salon Honor, Lady Queen Ambassadress, Universe Philippines.
This is Dr. Juan Paulo D. Bellusilio, Wisea Dignitary Member, Emeritus Doctor.
Ako po ay si Myla Sutaichi, Mrs. Tourism Ambassador International 2020, a Lady Queen Ambassador and the Doctorate of Human Rights.
I'm Lilian Mercado, registered pharmacist at DHAM and also specializing sa iridology po.
Okay, hi everyone. I am Jail Chief Inspector Aris Williamir Villa Esther, currently the Warden of Lipa City Jail in Batangas. And ang message ko po sa Wisea, sana mas marami pa tayong mga activities like this so that ito yung ating chance para mag-meet at magkita-kita at makapagbuo ng mga projects para po sa ating mga less fortunate.
Warmest greetings and congratulations, Wisea. We are from ASMEPS, Association of Science and Mathematics Educators of Philippine Private Schools.
I am Dr. Santos Casillo Jr.
I am Lady Celia Racing.
And this is RCD Lady Eloisa E. Oliver.
I am Catherine Cortez from Tacloban City. I am a certified naturopath practitioner. Thank you sa Wasea.
Good afternoon. I'm Reverend Victor Arben Tolero Jr. Nagpapasalamat po tayo ngayong hapon kay Doc Bobby Brimon.
Mabuhay, I'm Maylin Reyes. Thank you for appointing me as Ambassadress Universe Philippines for UAE. This is honor. I'm very grateful to be part of this humanitarian. Being ambassadress is not just a profession or a duty. Really, this is a lifetime commitment for service to our fellow kababayan worldwide.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Annabel Pabiona de Guzman, Incumbent Director General of the Philippine Institute of Traditional and Alternative Healthcare, a government-owned and operated corporation that is attached to the Department of Health. So kami po ang in charge with all the traditional and alternative healthcare modalities in the Philippines. And we are glad to be in partnership with the World Council of Excellence Awards. And for this, I'd also like to thank Dr. Bobby Brimon for making me an ambassadress for health and wellness in this organization. And I'd also like to greet him a very happy birthday. So I'm so glad of all the help that he has extended to our fellow men. And I know that he does this all for the glory of God, whom we serve and worship. So to God be the glory, indeed, great things he has done. Thank you very much.
Kailangan po natin na makatulad po ninyo na titindig at magsasabi, handa ako na tumulong, handa po ako na maglingkod sa iba. That despite the challenges that we face personally, sapagkat bawat sa naman po sa atin, may makanya-kanya po tayong laban. Tulungan po natin yung iba to be empowered as well. Sapagkat hindi po pwede na mayat maya na lang tayo po yung tutulong, kundi i-capacitate din po natin yung iba. Kagaya po na ginagawa po ni Dr. Brimon na kinakapacitate po ang bawat sa rin po sa atin para gamitin din po tayo na tumulong sa iba. Indeed, to God be the glory.
Nawa po sa araw na ito, tayo po'y basbasan ng Panginoon at maranasan natin ang presensya ng Diyos at ang kanyang pagpapala sa ating mga buhay. At ang ating misyon sa buhay na ito, mapaglingkuran natin ang Diyos, mapaglingkuran natin ang ating bansa, at mapaglingkuran natin ang ating mga kapwa. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is JV Emelo. I'm a registered nurse. More power to Wisea.
Magandang araw sa atin lahat. Ako po si Doc Vilma Maliari Santiago from Nueva Ecija. Kasalukuyan po akong nagtuturo sa Santa Rosa National High School. I am also a manufacturer of Barks Food Supplement products.
Hi, I'm Rose Batumalaki, a business owner in Bacoor, Cavite. And then I'm also a newest appointed Lady Queen Ambassadress ng Oman. And ang goal natin po is makatulong din po sa kapwa natin, kababayan doon. And of course, we want to help and educate people.
As I accept for today's award, I am reminded of the BJMP's mantra, changing lives, building a safer nation. This award is not just for me, but for all the men and women of the BJMP who work tirelessly to uphold this mantra. I would also like to express my deepest gratitude to Doc Bobby Brimon for considering me for this award. Your recognition serves as a beacon of inspiration for all of us in the BJMP to continue our mission with renewed vigor. Sana po palagi ninyong maalaala na may mga brothers, may mga brethren tayo na nasa kulungan na kailangan din po ng inyong pagkalinga at pagmamahal. Let us continue to work together for a safer and better nation. Thank you very much.
That's why I love your organization, because I see a lot of people who really love the Lord. So it's one thing that we have in common. But we have been making arrangements with the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, which is an SUC, for a bachelor's degree, possibly a master's degree, and a doctorate degree for naturopathic medicine. This is in order to professionalize para hindi kayo api-apihin in the future because you are qualified and you are legitimate.
No matter what rank or position we may be, we should remember the very purpose of our service for the greater good of our community. Kayo po, habang tumatagal, hindi ko po sinasabing tumatanda, ano po? Habang tumatagal, lalo kayong gumaganda, hindi nyo pa rin nalilimutan yung mga nasa baba ating dapat paglingkuran. Isang karangalan po ang mahalin at pagsilbihan ang ating inang bayan. Lalo-lalo na po kayong mga bayani ng ating.
You are a hero. To God be the glory.
You are a hero. To God be the glory.
You are a hero. To God be the glory.
You are a hero. To God be the glory.
You are a hero. To God be the glory.
You are a hero. To God be the glory.
You are a hero. To God be the glory.
You are a hero. To God be the glory.
You are a hero. To God be the glory.
You are a hero. To God be the glory.
You are a hero. To God be the glory.
You are a hero. To God be the glory.
You are a hero. To God be the glory.